What up, y'all? It's your boy Jester, and today I had a really good time pranking people. Basically what I did was just put water on my hand and spray people with it, acting like I was sneezing. It was funny. So go ahead and check it out. Enjoy the video. Guys, do you know which number is? It's water. It's water.
That doesn't make sense.
So I put it's water.
Okay, so big Molly.
The kidneys are the nephrons. These are cleaning areas, and we've got about 1 million nephrons in each kidney.
What are you going
It's water.
We've been outside.
It's water. It's water. It's water. It was water. It's water.
I literally thought you spit on me.
It's water. Wait, I don't got bars.
Just coughed on me.
It's water. It's water. It's water. You got hungry. Guys, my new YouTube video.
Died last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town.
Water.
Oh, bro. I swear, everything I love.